It's an easy one to put some text onto a ribbon like this. All we need to do first of all is to put a line there that we can have the text follow. So let's go to the pen tool. We'll start off here and we'll go to about there and we'll move the nodes out to get the curve in the right shape there. We'll come over to here and we should be able to do it with just one more node, and we'll just shape that so that it's just right. Then we go to whatever other tool. We want to go to the text tool and we put where we want the text to go on the line. So we get the little T there. Let me just zoom in a little bit closer. So we're going to get the text marker there and a little wavy line underneath it. Tap on that there. So we're going to put ribbon text. As you see, it's gone in the wrong place there, but we can deal with that. That's not a problem. So we just take this green one over here, move it down here to the end, and the red one over on this side is in the right place already. The other thing I want to do is to put a center alignment on there. Then all you need to do after that is to change to the type of text that you want in there. So let's go for a wide one, except I need to select all the text first. Let's change the typeface to go for a nice wide text. If you change the type of text, then you'll probably have to change the size of it to make sure that it fits. Let's bring it down to 72 points. Not the best text to put on there, but it works. Okay, so that's how you put text onto a line in Affinity Designer.